Uh-oh, this ain't good. Pulling down rain now. We're out here in the ocean just swimming. Hope I don't get lost. I'm stung by a jellyfish already, but oh well. Oop, hit another jellyfish. Them damn things are everywhere. Just dive down to the bottom. Pulling down rain out here. I already lost sight of shore, but oh, it's probably the last video ever to be made. Winds are picking up, rain's coming down harder. I wanted to try to get a mile swimming, but I don't even know where the sun's at now. Shit. Yeah, the other day I got stung by a jellyfish on my arm and it hurt like living day balls. Earlier my foot got stung real bad, but I'll be okay. My foot hurts a little bit. Oh, there's the shore over there. Well, I'm sorry about that a little bit there. Hey, I got a jellyfish! Holy shit! There's jellyfish everywhere. There, the swells are starting to really come in. ocean all to myself. Me, the land, the wildlife, the cool winds off the water. Yeah, and swimming in the evening, you don't really want to splash too much. It's just best to go with it because splashing is going to attract sharks. So it's just best to get your back and just go real slow. The water is definitely clear right now.